Alright guys, today is an exciting day. My Reiger front suspension has arrived. Been waiting 12 weeks for this to come, so it's made to order. These are three-way adjustable gravel spec with the top mounts to suit the small hole. My shell, I didn't cut the top mounts out for the large hole spec, so oddly they didn't actually have these on the shelf already made, so they had to make them to order. No extra charge for that, which was good. So these are slotted on the top here. You get all these different offset of the hole there, so you can set the camber without having to keep adjusting the track control arms. So that's good. They almost look too posh to put on the car, to be honest, and chuck through the woods. Really do look a proper bit of kit. Really nice and strong, big chunky brackets, nice welding. So I think that's the rebound adjustment on the bottom. Low speed and high speed would be on the top there. What's this? So they even give you some base settings to go from there. That's good, because saves me having to start from scratch with them setting them up. Adjuster spanners, some stickers, and I'm guessing that must be a tool to adjust it. Don't know. We'll have a look. Anyway, let's make a start and get this on the car. Right, it's pretty cold out here tonight. Just about got these bolted on now. Just mounting the remote canisters in the engine bay. I've got this one on. It's just some cable tie saddles and cable ties. I'll show you on the other side now. It's just this sort of setup really. Just pop riveted those cable tie saddles on and then zip ties, so it allows you to turn them easy. They spin round in the cable ties if you need to, but you can get to that to adjust it there anyway. So I think if it was pointing up, it'd probably hit the bonnet. I haven't actually checked it yet, but it's pretty good like that. I see a lot of people mount them up the top there. I didn't really like that, and these seemed to be a little bit too long. When the canister was up there, it was putting quite a sharp bend on the pipe. It's like they were slightly too long for the job, but they seem to just sit naturally there. Try not to rip the front corner off the car. So I'll just get this one on now. That's about as far as I can go today because I haven't got the bolts for there. So I need to get some of those tomorrow. And then we can get on with suspension geometry then. Right, I've just had a delivery of drive shafts, so you can finally get the car driving now. So I bought these from Squire's rally and competition equipment. I only ordered them yesterday at 10 o'clock in the morning and they've come today, so the next day delivery, that was quick. Right, that's those all put together now. I used high strength Loctite, like bearing fit stuff that dries really rock hard. I torqued them up and just marked them up so I can keep an eye on them then during the first rally, just to make sure they haven't come loose. And marked them passenger side and driver side, just so I know when I take them out the car next. Right, we're getting somewhere now. All the suspension's bolted on, just doing the wheel alignment. It's not far off now, just a few little tweaks, and then I'm going to take it for a spin up the road and see what it feels like. For setting the suspension up, I fitted the set of these, which has basically got the hole in the centre, like the neutral one. So it's all equal now. I've got the same caster on both sides. I've got the same camber, although the camber is minus 2.7 degrees. You can't really see there because the arches cover it, but it's 2.7 degrees on both sides, which is obviously too much. So, but because it's equal, I'm going to leave it like that for now, and then I can change those shims afterwards. Right, test drive went all right. Geometry's not quite 100%, it's a little bit twitchy on the road, but then it is a bit icy today, so. But I've got a bit of a brake leak on the rear axle, so the brakes are a bit spongy. It's got a T-piece on the rear axle on the rear brace, and it's an aluminium one. I think the fitting's a bit knackered on it because I've tried to refit it a few times, it's still leaking, so I've ordered a stainless steel one for that, so get that fixed. And I think I need to bleed the front brakes a bit, but yeah, apart from that, it's pretty good. So that's about it really for this video. There's not much more work to be done on the car now. Just need to do a bit of testing, and in a few weeks hopefully we'll have a bit of news on the plans for this season, what events I'll be doing, where I'll be going, So stay tuned on the channel for that video. Hopefully in the next couple of weeks. Should have a bit more of an update on that one. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you then.